Good morning, good morning. It's a bit of a later start today. The plan is to be listing some head torches. I have got a whole box of them to be listed. So yeah, we'll crack on with listing that. So we've got some other interesting bits and pieces to list today for Christmas. We've got these Bugatti die-cast models, metal with plastic parts. They're really cool. I think I've got 4 of these, so hopefully these will get back a good chunk of the money of this pallet that I bought. We've got some more tumbling towers, and then I found this box with like a load of little jewellery boxes in, and clocks. They were like glass, and most of them were broken. And then loads of these, which are like christening sets. They've got like a fork, a knife, and that sort of thing in, silver plated, really tacky. But there's like a dozen of those in the box, which is totally random, all Amazon returns. So yeah, we've got stuff like this to list. These should do all right. So yeah, just another day of listing really so far. So sit down on the computer, do some research, and then if anything interesting crops up, I'll put the camera on and I'll let you know. So this is a prime example of what I'm on about. I'm trying to list this tumbling tower thing just here, and you can see here my M.Y traditional tumbling tower game sales rank, and then I go to click new and it wants me to apply, so I press apply. Then we come over here, so you press request approval, and it says you need at least one of these, a sales invoice, blah blah blah. I mean, these were liquidation that I got, so I haven't got a detailed sales invoice. It's a legit thing, but it's just to gatekeep these items. So yeah, annoying, but hey ho, I'll be listing it on eBay. I am starting to wonder why I got this toy pallet. It's good stuff, but it's yeah, a lot of listing, and I'm meant to be downsizing as well. So yeah, so my current thought process is I am taking the plush stuff because that's not too bad for me to list, and the rest I'm gonna box up and put on a pallet and sell that pallet. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because listing all these little odds and sods is going to take me an eternity. And there's money in it, and I know there is, but it being quite a mix, I think I'll stick to my strong point, and I should be able to recoup, what I paid with the plush, and then make a profit on the selling the pallet full of stuff. Because I've got quite a lot of media to be cracking on with before Christmas, and that sort of thing. So I know I've only just got it, but I'm thinking at the moment do like a reseller bundle on eBay, because there's still time for a toy shop or something like that, or even another eBayer to pick that off. If I can get it on a pallet and work out a pallet ship price, or if there's anyone local, I think I might do that. Because it's the space it's taking up in my unit. I didn't quite anticipate how much space it would take up. And I've got some other toys in my unit which I can add to it to make up a pallet. So I should be able to make a pretty decent pallet up with it. And I don't know. Yeah. So I think we're going to start that today. In a bit, we'll get a pallet out, start boxing it up, because I've sold some stuff on Facebook and whatnot, but I just haven't got the time. But just with Christmas orders coming in, I'm spending half my day, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining, but spending half my day just picking orders and doing posts, getting time to list it. Yeah, so I thought it was a good idea before Christmas, but actually, yeah, I think it was still a good buy, but yeah, I think I need to. I mean, I said from the start I was going to try and sell a chunk of it off anyway, but I'll probably try and put some more of the more medium level stuff in it, or stuff that has, because a lot of it's over stickered with Amazon labels, so it's taking the time to peel that off, to then scan the barcode, and you've got like a box with like 40 different things in. You're like, oh, I thought a mix would be good, but actually there was some that were like a pallet of 4 of the same things. I probably should have gone for something like that, because then I could have listed it quicker. So yeah, I'll start boxing up. I'll try and get some footage of that, and then I'll put a listing up on eBay and maybe Facebook. So yeah, just had a nice sale. Sold this, which is something I listed yesterday. So gonna get that packed up now and get it in the post. So it sold for 12 quid, and I was given it by a family member, and it's been kicking around for ages. So it's good to get that out the door. Right, post done. It's all in the back there in boxes, and I've also got a load of stuff that's listed just there, which I'm going to drop off at my unit. So I'm going to run to the post office, do that, then drop off at my unit, and then I haven't got time to pack orders before I've got to go and do the school run, so I'm going to have to do that later on. And because it's bin day today, I might see if I can do some bin dipping, see if there's later on, see if anyone's put anything out, or if there's any skips or anything like that or whatnot. Maybe, we shall see. So yeah, let's get in the car, get the post office, and get these orders out the door. So it's now night time. The better half of my lad have gone to bed, and I'm going to go and pick some orders from my unit. And it is bin day tomorrow, so on the way I shall keep my eyes peeled. There's some commercial bins on the way, and I normally look out for packaging material and that sort of stuff. I really do need some cardboard and some bubble wrap. So yeah, we'll get out, see if we can pick some orders, and yeah, see what's about. So yeah, let's get going. Right, so I'm down in the unit, just pulling some orders, some bits that are sold. What's that? The Snows of Kilimanjaro, that sold on Amazon for a tenner. A Now CD, now 12. And yeah, I'm going to pick what orders I can. It's bloody freezing down here. And then I'm going to start building up this pallet to sell on the stuff which I'm either restricted in or whatnot, to try and see if I can get a trader bundle on the go. And yeah, and then go home, and then I'll probably stream for an hour on my gaming channel. I'll pop a link to that below. And then call it a day from there, really. I'm probably not going to go bin dipping. I can't be bothered. It's one of those things. I do need to get packaging material, but that isn't so reliant on what day they collect the bins, because they've always got stuff behind some of the retail units near me. So I'll go and check out that another evening. So yeah, let's pull those orders, and then we'll get home. Right, so I'm back home. It's the end of the day. I'm going to fire up the PlayStation, and I'm going to stream for an hour or so over on Reseller Gaming, link in the description. And yeah, I've just heard the news that apparently Yodel have collapsed and not taking any more parcels, so that's pretty crazy. I need to look into that. I don't typically use them, but that sounds like quite a mess for, before Christmas. A lot of peed off people, and then the implications, all that post that would have gone to them is going to be on Royal Mail and all the others. So bit of a crazy one to end the day anyway. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, smash the subscribe button. We'll be here or here. And if you like this sort of thing, check out this up here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.